Hi, I'm Nick from Glowforge, and today I'm going to show you how to change the cartridge in your Glowforge Personal Filter. With just a few simple steps, you'll have your new cartridge installed and can get back to printing. So let's get started. Before we begin, you might be wondering when to replace the cartridge. In this case, the nose knows. If your Glowforge Aura produces smoke or fumes, or a strong, unpleasant or irritating smell while the filter's running, it might be time for a new filter cartridge. They're available from the shop here. Once the replacement cartridge arrives, unplug your Glowforge Personal Filter. As with any maintenance, always unplug your Glowforge devices before cleaning, servicing, or moving them. Next, lift off the lid at the top of the Glowforge Personal Filter. It's attached with magnets and you'll feel them release as you lift off the top. You can leave the exhaust hose attached for now. Take your new cartridge out of the bag, but keep the bag handy for the next step. Grab the handle at the top of the old cartridge and lift it carefully out of the Glowforge Personal Filter. Once it's completely removed, lower it into the new cartridge bag we just saved. Try not to shake the cartridge while you do this. And once it's in the bag, close it shut and dispose of it. Now you're ready to install the new filter cartridge. Pick it up by the handle and lower it into the filter, lining up the green line on the cartridge so it matches the green line on the filter body. Once it's inserted, check that it's fitted correctly by trying to turn the handle on the top of the filter cartridge. It should stay firmly in place. And now we can close the lid. You should feel those magnets snap back into place. And then finally, double check that the hose hasn't disconnected from the lid or the back of your Glowforge Aura. Plug in your Glowforge Personal Filter, and in just moments, you'll be back to creating again. If you have any questions, visit our Help and Learning Center at support.glowforge.com. There, you'll find a wealth of tips and tricks for getting the most out of your Glowforge Aura.